This video just to give you guys an overview on how to use the college tracker spreadsheet and just how to use the email tracker and how to operate it and to set it up. So what you want to do when you click the link, you're going to want to make a copy right here. And when you click the link, it's gonna, make a copy. I made a copy right here, so I'm just gonna exit out here. And for the college, you can see we have colleges, status, admission plan, major, essays, due dates, the countdown timer, the admission category, and your links for the application portal. And for the colleges, I'm just gonna put for the first college, I'm gonna put UIUC. And for the status, we have multiple options, and I'm gonna put in progress. For the admission plan, I'm gonna put regular decision, and for the major, I'm just gonna put mathematics. And the essay, what you can do is that you can actually link essays for your college. So if you have a Google Doc for your college that you're writing, you could just link it here by doing shift. And I made an example. It should show up right here. You can just type the name of the stuff, college essay. It's case sensitive, so since I had the title in all caps, so it's probably gonna show up in all caps, as you can see right here. So you click it, you can easily just go to the essay, just as an example of an essay. So just, you can zoom right there, or you could even do a preview and it opens up right here, which is kind of cool. And for the due dates, you just put any due date, and the countdown accurately calculates it. We could accurately calculates it. So and it's actually connected. So if you put not started, the countdown will still go on. You put this to submitted, the countdown will no longer go on. Put this to accepted, it won't go on. Rejected, it won't go on. Waitlisted, it won't go on. So let's just put it back to in progress. And for the mission category, you can, this is just up to you, your personal preference. If you want it, you can just take it out if you want. You can name this safety, reach, match, during school. I'm just gonna put this as a match school. And for the link, you can just replace this with the application portal link for your college that you're applying to. So yeah, that's just the basics of stuff. Let's add another college. Just add Northwestern. Did I spell that right? Oh yeah, I forgot the H. Northwestern, and let's just put UIUC. Oh, UIC, I mean. Yeah, we can just put this to in progress, regular decision. I'm just gonna copy this down here. I don't have other examples for colleges, but you should get the gist, and just a normal. You just put match just for the example, and you just put the link. You can just put North. I'm just gonna put for the example North.com. We're gonna put UIC.com here. So yeah, so now let's set up the automatic email. So what you want to do when you click on extensions right here, you're gonna open AppScript, and once you open that up, it's right here. So this code is mainly written in JavaScript and connected to Google Sheeting. Yeah. So the reminders here are based off these numbers. So it reminds you 14 days before, 7 days before, 21 days before, 5 days before, 3 days before, 2 days before, 1 day before, and you can just edit this if you like, just to see how you want to be reminded. Just my personal preference and how I kept it. So first of all, what you want to go to do is run it. And what that's going to do, it's actually going to ask for permission. So it should take not more than like 10 seconds till it asks for permission. So let's just wait together. Okay, yeah. So you want to do is press review permissions, log in with the email you want to be receiving the reminders for. Advanced, just press advanced right here. Press go to college reminder. Continue and allow. So basically what this is just asking for permission to send emails to yourself. Basically it's just asking for permission, Google security. And for the now you're going to add triggers. So what these do is they just, because the code doesn't run forever for you, so this just, you add a trigger for when the code should run so it can send you an email. So on the first one, we're gonna put on change. So anytime you do like a change on the spreadsheet, like if you change the date, it runs the code to see if it should send you a message. Let's just save that, and it's actually gonna fail right here because it's actually gonna ask for permission to do the trigger. So it's gonna say loading data, but it's not gonna work. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to push this again. Then it's gonna ask for, yeah, it's gonna ask for permission. You click, you just do the same thing, advanced, go to college, allow, and yeah, so it's probably gonna save right now. Yeah, so you're gonna add another trigger. This is just my personal preference. What I like to do is time driven. Then I put this to day timer. Then I put to like 9 a.m. So every morning it just runs the code for me to see if it should send me an email in the morning. So we're gonna save that. So yeah, so basically we've set up the code, and first of all, let's change the date to see, because it doesn't send you a reminder 8 weeks prior. Send you a reminder 21 days prior, 5 days prior, 14 days prior, 4 days prior, 3 weeks, 5 days, 2 weeks. So let's just put this to like 2 days. 2 days. Let's put this to, no, this is in the past. Let's just put this to like, 1 week. Let's put this to like, or we could put this 5 days, and we could put this one at 20 days, at 2 days. No, let's put this at 1 day. Yeah. So if we're right, it should send us 3 emails based on that, or send us more since it was on change. So as you can see here, it says 5 days left for you to submit to Northwestern. Show that you got all your submitted documents on time, and it includes the link right here, so you can just, go straight to the application portal to submit your stuff. Let's go to the 2 days one for UIUC. Oh, it says 2 days left, so there's 2 days left to send you an email for 2 days, and it includes the link right here just for you to go to it. And for UIUC, yeah, actually 2 days. It's like, let's go to UIC. So UIC says it's 1 day left for you to submit your application, and it includes the link right here. So it basically does that. So that's pretty much self-explanatory. If you guys have any questions or run into any problems using it, don't be afraid to email or comment in the comment section. Thank you.